In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix alerts or pop-up notifications from Secure VPN app. If you've been experiencing a lot of notifications from this app and you no longer need them, the best thing is to turn them off permanently. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, you need to go ahead and access Secure VPN app info page. For this, just long press on your app and then you should see app info option here. Tap on it and here we are on the app info. Scroll down to permissions section and look for notifications, and if you tap on it, you can see we have all these types of notifications such as permanent notifications, vibrational notifications, play sound notifications, as well as even floating notifications enabled. To turn them off, you can turn off one by one here, but that's not the best way. The best way is to go ahead and toggle off show notifications here. And this will turn off all the other types of notifications. And from now henceforth, you'll never again receive any alerts from Secure VPN app. This will be so unless you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications from Secure VPN app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.